Falling in love now, losing control now, fighting.
Hi, this is elle lorbis from Batangas State University, taking Bachelor of Science in Technology, Section 2105. For today's video, I'm discussing summary of Chapter 2, configuring a network operating system. So, should we start? Uh, Cisco iOS terms that encompass the number of different operating systems which runs a various networking devices. The technician can enter commands to configure a program and devices to perform various network functions. Cisco iOS routers and switches perform functions that network professional depends upon to make their network operates spec. Serverless provide the Cisco iOS are accessed using commands line interface or CLI, which is accessed by either console port or the IUX port. Throughout the SSH or telnet after connected to CLI network, technician can be configure change of Cisco iOS device. Cisco iOS is designed to model operating system, which means network technician must navigate through various hierarchically technical modes of iOS. Each mode support different iOS command. Cisco iOS router switches support similar modal operating system support similar command structure and support many type command. In addition, both devices typically initial configure system when implementing them in a network. This chapter detailed various modes Cisco examine the basic command structure and configure a it also work on initial Cisco iOS H devices including the same name, limiting the access device configuration, creating browser message and saving configuration. So the first is the device name. When configuring a network device, one of the first step configuring unique device name or host name. Host name is a CLI prompt can be used for various authentication process between devices should be a topology diagram. If device name is not explicitly configure a factory assigned default name used for Cisco iOS. The default name Cisco iOS which if all network devices were left in their default name, it's difficult to identify the specific. For instance, when accessing a remote device SSH, important to have confirmation that you connected to proper devices. Choosing name wisely is a durable element to identify devices with reliably hosting configuration. In configuring the host name, type the computer terminal and the host name and put the unique name that you may use in inputting. Next, to secure the device's access. The use of quick, easily guessed password continues to secure security issues that may affect basic business world. For devices including the wireless router should be always password protected and limit administrative access. Cisco iOS can be configured in hierarchical password, allow different access privilege to network devices. To configure the password, just type in the secret password global config command and in using the line console 0 and type password and login. To see the password that you put in the password start a config and running config file display most important plain text. Security is stated by anyone to see password using have access to this file. Secure password in globally config command. The command applied weak encryption and unencrypt password. This encryption applied on only password in configuration file, not password they want Set over network, the purpose of command to keep an authorized individual view password in the operation name. Use the shown running config to verify the password and in in logging in the application, must have the banner message. The banner message is very useful to know how to know the prohibited of the unauthorized path or authorized system that you may cannot pass. Although the banner message, although the requiring password is one way to keep an authorized personnel out of network is usually vital provided the method for declaring the only authorized personnel should attempt to gain entry into the devices. To this banner, add the banner to the device input. The banner can be an important part of the legal process in the event that someone is prosecuted for breaking into the device. Some legal systems do not allow conversion or even monitoring user unless notification is visible. To create banner message today, network message a banner MOTD was system that message that global config command that was the command system delimiting character entered before the delimiting character can be any character as long as our message permission symbols obtained commands executed. Operating system function with shell, kernel, and hardware. The shell interface the with user allow to them require specific tasks to process. The kernel provision transforms hardware to meet software requirements. The hardware function by using drivers, their underlying electronic devices, present physical components of the device. The SSH network administration needs to keep an ID password session contains private, establishing the remote CLI connectivity which manage it, which access method should to private a console connector. However, remote management requires SSH provides Telnet and SSH provides active network services to configure a Cisco device for the functional Cisco switch contain UX ports. Context-sensitive help provides user with a list of commands agreement associated with those commands within the current mode informing device. A syntax checker provides error checks on submitted commands that and tab key in commands completion in if the partial command entered. A technician does not have make mistake trying to remove all changes by trying configuration. Choosing about the router without saving the configuration. Copy start config does not running the configuration with the configuration stored in NVRAM but protected effectively. RAM stores the data is used by the device that support network operating and network operation in stored RAM. This type of memory considered a ba- volatile memory because the data is lost during the power cycle. Flash memory stored IOS delivery. A copy of IOS from device powered by flash memory. The volatile retains the content during the lost power. A SBI virtual interface and B1 enable the default Cisco switches and B99 must be configured into views. Pass Ethernet 01 Gigabit 01 physical interface. The new PC configure and DHCP, which PC is connected with the police DHCP, to get the IP address can allow to function network. All devices require in this on IP address and max function around DNS, not much. So only figure address host is not universally compatible LANs do not necessarily provide host IP address and place force control. The ping destination command can be used as connectivity. The configuration mode is admission encounter exec mode. After enable command, enter the text mode exec mode. Further create terminal commands. Enter the global configuration mode. Finally, the admission entered the console line 0 command mode in operation will be entered. So that's my summary of the Crypto. Thank you for watching.